We have completed the verification of basic gates truth tables. Now we will see the Boolean expression. So y is equal to a bar b plus a b bar plus a b. Okay. So this Boolean expression we can design using the basic gates. So this is a trainer kit. You can see here. So many gates are available here. So first you can see the first column, first 4 gates are OR gates. Second 4 gates are AND gates. Next are the NAND gates, NOR gates, XOR gates and NOT gates. So here for realizing this Boolean expression, we require AND gates, OR gates and NOT gates. Okay. So first for this Boolean expression, we will design a circuit using gates. In this way you have to draw the circuit. So first mean term contains a bar b. So a bar b, for complement of a bar, here you have to connect one inverter. So you will get a is equal to a bar. Next, the a bar is given as input to one AND gate and b is given as another input to the AND gate. So output of the AND gate is a bar b. And second mean term is a b bar. So for getting the b bar, again you have to connect one NOT gate. B is connected to the NOT gate, you will get a b bar. Next, for second AND gate, a and b bar are given as an input. So the output is a b bar. And third mean term is a b. So a b directly connected to the AND gate, you will get the expression a b. Here you can see in the Boolean expression 3 mean terms are there, a bar b plus a b bar plus a b. Okay. But here the logic gate trainer, this trainer kit contains only the 2 input gates. So only 2 input gates are there, and here if 3 input gates are available, directly we can use only one OR gate and we can connect all these 3 outputs of the AND gate to the only one OR gate. But here in this kit we have only 2 input gates. So first we will see, consider this as an A input and this as a B input. Okay. A and B. So for first expression A bar. So here NOT gate is there. Use this NOT gate. So A is connected to the NOT gate. Output of the NOT gate is given to the AND gate. So second column of the trainer kit contains the AND gate. So first A bar B. Now this output of the NOT gate is the A bar. So connect this output to first input of the first gate. Okay. Second input for the AND gate is B. So here this is the B input. So connect this B as a second input. This is for first mean term. Second mean term is AB bar. So for AB bar, again we have to use the second AND gate. Directly A input is connected as is given as an input to the second AND gate, and second input should be B bar. So again B input is connected, given to the inverter. This is the inverter. Output of the inverter is given as the input to the second AND gate. For third mean term A and B, directly we can connect this A and B to the third AND gate. Now this is the first level we have completed. Now A bar B and A B bar are given as input to the OR gate. So in this kit these are the OR gates. So we will use first 2 OR gates. So first output of the first AND gate is given as input to the OR gate. and output of the second AND gate is given as input to the second input to the OR gate. Next, output of the OR gate is given as input to the second OR gate, and AB means output of the third AND gate is given as a second input. So, here output of the OR gate and second one is the output of the AND gate is given as input to the second OR gate, and finally only one output. So, here output of the second OR gate is connected to one LED to verify the output. So, finally, only one output terminal is used in the Boolean expression. Now, we can see the connections. Okay. Next is the after designing using basic gates, after connections, see we have to verify the truth table. So, here in the truth table only two inputs, two variables are there, y is equal to AB plus AB bar plus AB. So, here only two input variables are used. So, A and B are the two input variables, four combinations will be there 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and next first mean term is A bar B. So, A bar, so complement of A. So, 0 0 1 1, A bar is 1 1 0 0. For B bar 0 1 0 1, B bar will be 1 0 1 0. Next, for A bar B, you have to use a combination of these two columns. So, here it is a AND operator, A bar B. If any one input is low, output is low. So, 0 1 0, 1 1. If both the inputs are high, then only the output is high. Here it is 1. For remaining things 0 0. So, similarly for A B bar, A column and B column, you have to check these two inputs 0 1 0, 0 0 0, 1 1. If both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Again 1 0 0. So, for first column you got one expression, and for second column you got the output variables. For A B, again for A B 0 0 0 1. So, for 0 0 output is 0, 0 0 0 1, and next final expression is you have to consider these three mean terms and OR operator. So, in OR operation, if any one input is high, output is high. So, if all the inputs are low, the output is low. So, here 0 0 0, all the inputs are low, output is low. If any one input is high, for second combination 1 0 0, one input is high, output is high. Again 0 1 0, one input is high, output is high. 0 0 1, one input is high, output is high. So, in this way you have to draw the truth table. Now, we will verify this truth table using this kit. So, first combination is 0, after giving connections, turn on the kit. Okay. So, first combination is 0 0, output is 0. So, here LED is in off state. Okay. So, second combination is 0 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 1. So, 1 1, both the inputs are high, output is high. So, in this way you have to design or realize the Boolean expression using basic gates. This is your first experiment. Thank you.